So, merging two sorted linked lists in a function. I'm doing it on Python. So the function takes two linked lists and the head of it A and the head of it B. So essentially just iterate through each of the nodes, and then you just always add the smaller of the two, what you're looking at, nodes, and you just add that to a new one. So it's just with the base cases, I use the recursive method. So just the base cases is if, and edge cases, if A and both the linked lists are none, or the nodes, then just return none. So that's the edge case that you're given two empty ones. And if one of them is, if the head A of a linked list is none, then you just return the rest of B. So return B if A is none, return B, and then the opposite, or the inverse of that, if B is none, return A. So then you get in after that, the base case and the edge cases, you go into the meat of it here. So you just want to find which one's smaller between the two, and the data of the node you're looking at in both of the linked lists. And if A is, and then you create this new node called less node in the linked list, and you set that to A. And then you want to just recurse it. So then the next in the less node is going to be just a merge list of A and of the two linked lists, but you just move the one, since we not instantiated, we created A into the less node, we want to move on to the A. And then here's the inverse of that, so move on to B. So then you just return that less node. I have to figure out how recursive calls still keep a memory of this new instantiated variable of less node. I don't know how that does that. Like, I would think you would have to include that as a third variable in the function. But I don't know. I guess I can learn that later. So yeah, if I submit this, it should work. Both cases work. So there you have it.